Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Shiza. I am from 5th class.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Abhimanyu and I am from 6th class. It's a shocking news that yesterday 6 people died due to lightning in Adilabad district. We should be more careful in these monsoon days. We all should learn from in this incident. Playing or working in open places is very dangerous, and whenever rain starts, you should be take shelter in safe place.
First of all, we should never roam outside with no reason. After school, we should directly go to home and take rest and do our homework. Thank you, we love friends. Student of Mother's Care High School, she's Ayman here.
Thank you, your beloved friend and student of Mother's Care High School, Abia here.